The steady growth of social media has the American Red Cross getting in on the tech game. The nonprofit has created an app to help save lives.
Now is the time to be prepared for tomorrow.
The Hurricane app is designed to prepare people for a natural disaster, providing updates before, during, and after a hurricane hits. The info right at your fingertips.
It's a very simple app. It's not, it doesn't have a ton of bells and whistles. It's a very simple, to the point. Here's what you need to do. Here's how to get help. Here's how to connect with your loved ones.
The free app comes with safety tips and a toolkit that includes a flashlight, strobe light, and alarm. One of its key features, though, the I'm safe message. It lets you connect with your friends and family during a disaster through social media.
You might be on the receiving line to get that I'm safe message, and that peace of mind is just, it's irreplaceable.
That peace of mind extends past the always vulnerable South Carolina coastline, which has already dodged 3 tropical storms this year.
You can plug in your current location, or you can plug in locations. Say you have a loved one that lives in California and you want to know what's going on there, or you want to plug in your loved one that lives in Miami, Florida. You can do that and monitor their weather alerts as well. We can't just sit back and let people use social media, let people use their smartphones and not take advantage of it in a preparedness means. We're so excited to embrace technology and to release this app, which can hopefully prepare our communities and save lives. An immediate alert goes out to those social media sites, so your loved ones can have the peace of mind that you are indeed okay. We also have quizzes that you can take, some preparedness tips, some checklists for your emergency kits that you can have before, during, and after a disaster. And we encourage folks, parents, to share that with their children too. There's a lot of great quizzes in there that can get children involved at an early age and know how to be prepared and know what to do during an emergency situation.